So in this Visme tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a histogram using the Visme application. So once you're into the Visme app, go to the bottom right and press on the plus icon. Then under project type, press on charts and graphs right in the middle. Now once you're here, slide this bar over here all the way to the right until you come across an option that says histograms. So for me right here, it is between pictograms and polar area charts. Simply just press on the histograms option. Now once you're here, you can either select a blank template for your histogram if you want to start from scratch, or what else you can do is actually slide down and view a whole bunch of different templates right here. So if you like one of them, we'll just go ahead and select the richest people right here. What it's now going to do is take a couple seconds to load this template into your project, or just to create a project from a blank template in general. Once that is done, as you can tell, if I were to zoom in a little bit, there is a already predetermined histogram. Now what you can also do with this is edit the information and then edit whatever you want and create your own histogram this way. So pretty straightforward, but that's how you guys can create a histogram on the Visme application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.